everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are doing a color and install today. This is how my hair looks. This isn't dandruff, this is a gel that I used on my hair a few weeks ago and it just flakes out. I don't even know why I bought that. I don't even like it. You can see I have a few grays coming in. I hate them. And it's time to go ahead and color my hair. You guys know what I use, yada yada yada. Let's go ahead and get started.
Baby, the sound of you better than honey, yeah. I want you off my mind and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, it don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection, make me your selection.
All right, we are done. Got everything on. And let's go ahead and put our shower cap on. We are going to keep this on for 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes, and wash out. And we're back looking like Rick James. Look at that definition under there. If I decided to stop putting heat on my hair and cut off the heat damage, we're going to let this air dry. I do not blow dry my hair, just so the moisture that's in my hair gets locked in. And another little thing I do when I flat iron my hair, and I know a lot of people are gonna say, that's damaging your hair. While my hair is a little damp, and I'm not talking about like you can feel the dampness, when it's 93% dry is when I go ahead and flat iron. I don't know why, but that makes my hair so soft when I flat iron it. Which is probably why I don't think I want to get back into going into a salon. I figured out ways to maneuver my hair and make it work for me, and I just know somebody is gonna do the exact opposite. So we're gonna get some housework done. I'm still at work. Let this air dry for maybe about 2 to 3 hours, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna flat iron.
At the end of the road, and something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey. Yeah. You know, I feel like you know what I'm about to say. Oh yeah.
Wasted. The more I drink, the more I think about you. No, I can't take it. Baby, every place I go reminds me of you. Do you think of me, what we used to be? Is it better now that I'm not around? My friends are acting strange, don't bring up your name. Are you happy now? Are you happy now?
I don't wanna know, no, who's taking you home, loving you so. The way I used to love you, no, I don't wanna know, no, who's taking you home, loving you so. The way I used to love you, oh, I don't wanna know.
Every time I go out, yeah, hear it from this one, hear it from that one, that you got someone new, yeah. I say but don't believe it, cause even in my head, you're still in my bed. Maybe I'm just a fool. Do you think of me, what we used to be? Is it better now that I'm not around? Friends are acting strange, don't bring up your name. Are you happy now? Are you happy now?
I don't wanna know, no, no, no. Who's taking you home, oh, oh, oh. Loving you so, 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 so. The way I used to love you, no.
All I hear is raindrops falling from a rooftop. Oh, baby, tell me why'd you have to go? 'Cause this pain I feel it won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you. I thought that from this heartache I could escape, but I've run it long enough to know there ain't no way. And today I'm officially missing you. Ooh, can nobody do me like you? I said every little thing you do. Hey baby, say it stays on my mind. And I'm officially, it's official. Ooh, you know that I'm missing you, yeah, 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 yeah. All I hear is raindrops. Ooh, yeah, and I'm officially missing you. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Got the horses in the back, horse I get attached. Hattie's matty black, got the boots like black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can wipe your porch. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, lean only my bladder. Cheated on my baby, you can go and ask her. My life is a movie, bull riding in boobies. Cowboy hat from Gucci, wanger on my booty. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
You know, young rich, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, no kick in the hot box.
All right, hi you guys. I'm getting ready to get out of the house a little bit. Really need to visit a few Goodwills because I need some baskets for my white hutch, my in-between. I'm not making my white hutch a winter hutch. That's gonna be just my neutral hutch for now. But I need a ton of baskets and I'm not willing to pay full price. Girl, I need some little cheap baskets from the Goodwill. So I'm also gonna see if I can hit up At Home. I haven't been to At Home since late October, early November, when they were like just now putting up the Christmas. So I want to see if they have any spring or Valentine's out. So let me finish putting my makeup on and I'll see y'all when I'm done. All right, so I'm done. I need to put a little mascara on my lower lash. I'm not feeling these eyelashes because they're, I don't know where I got these from, but these are not, they are definitely not my typical eyelashes. My lips, I didn't want to wear any gloss today, but it looks like that's not gonna happen because my lips are super dry. Let's put a little gloss on them. Didn't condition them before I started my makeup. I usually do, but I'll show you guys what I'm wearing too. So this is what I'm wearing. I have on a pair of black leggings, jeggings, whatever you want to call them. The shirt that I got from Target. I've had this shirt for years now. I don't even know when I purchased it. But this little cardigan from Shein, you saw it in, did I record like just a look what I bought? But it's just this really comfortable cardigan. I was gonna wear my like my 90s jeans with this, but I wanted to be comfortable and move around because I do have the little one with me today. So Marley, do you want to show what you're wearing? So this is what Mars is wearing. Oh, look at Bubas. She's got on her little Shein. Oh, you already got it dirty. Her little Shein cat hoodie. Just some black leggings. We're going to put on our black and white faux chucks. Who is it on your hand? Who is that?
You.
It's Mr. Shark. So this, and we also got cute little pink bows in her head. But are you ready to go with mommy?
I need some popcorn time.
Popcorn. She
I
loves.
need to go to the store and get some popcorn.
All right, let's go.
Nights when I'm with my baby, we at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can hear ourselves. Reach your lips, I'd rather kiss them right back. With all these people all around, I'm crippled with anxiety, but I'm told it's where I'm supposed to be. You know what? It's kinda crazy cause I really don't mind, and you make it better like that. Don't think we fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say, yeah. When we walked in I said I'm sorry, but now I think that we should stay. Balloons are deflated. Guess they're just lifeless like me. We miss you on your side of the bed. Still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenirs. I don't want to let you out of my head. It's like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. You said that you loved me, but that turned out to never. It's cold outside, like when you walked on my life. Why you walked on my life? I feel like this every time. On those days it feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. I feel like this every time. On those days it feel like you and me. Do you ever think of me? Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. Too soon I spoke, you've been heavy on my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind shit. I try to keep from losing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, babe, but you don't care. All the while, I'll wave my face with a smile. Still gotta try, still believe in good days. Oh, it's like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. You said that you loved me, but that turned out to never. It's cold outside, like when you walk on my life. Why'd you walk on my life?
We could leave the Christmas lights up till January. This is all.
For the record,
I got one nose, Mommy.
I was not expecting to see that much Easter. I don't think I've ever seen it this early. Ever. Didn't have a lot of Valentine's. I just had a few things. But they had a ton of Easter. And I'm thinking about gravitating more towards like the natural Easter look this year, opposed to so much color. You guys know I like to switch it up every year, and I just love the natural Easter theme that I did last year, so I think I want to play with that a little bit more this year. So I love the natural pieces that they had at home that I saw, so I don't know, we'll have to see how it looks. So now we're headed to the Goodwill to see if I can score any baskets. I haven't been to this Goodwill in a hot little minute. So, yeah, let's see what they have.
Be over dramatic and true to my.
Alright, we're in the Goodwill. It's really loud in here. I see toys.
And at every table, I'll save you a seat. Lover, can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever and oh, take me out, take me home. You're mine, 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 mine. Darling, you're mine.
bitch motto. If I say it on wax, every bitch follow. If I'm sipping in the club, mix Moscato. I got a big fat ass, big dicks follow. Ladies, it's your song, so as soon as it come on, say fuck these petty niggas if these niggas did you wrong. If he got a new bitch, then tell that bitch meet you outside and pop